Hi there, my name is Pablo Requena, and in this video I would like to let you know about two new videos that I've been working on in the last few months, and they're now available for sale in the website where the rest of the course is. The website is www.onlineguitarmakingcourse.com, and in the top menu there's a new section called additional courses. So when you click over there, then you will find that these two new videos appear. Now, one of them is about how to build the bending jig, and the other one about how to build the Solera. And in the past, I have given some information about these two very important jigs in my YouTube channel. So if you look back into those videos, you'll see that I explain about the Solera, for example, the different types and how they're made and so on. But in these videos, these are much more in-depth. They are about 4 hours long, each one of them. So, it's a very in-depth work about how to build it. And I do show from beginning to end how to make this very same tool. These actually the ones featured in these videos. And the idea is that you have absolutely all the information you need to be able to build one exactly like these ones. Now, also with the video, when you purchase them, you will find that there are plans with all the dimensions that you're going to need to be able to make them. So hopefully you'll find that these two videos are really helpful and you'll go for them. Thank you very much.